Okay, here's another song for everyone. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Ayan. Sir Carlo, are you still here? Thank you, guys. Baby Kate, it's me, Sir Carlo. Thank you, everyone. Please try to join in the box. The box is open now. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Thank you. I'm alive. Come on. When, when you call me, when I hear you breathe. Come on, everyone. I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. When you look at me, I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. Woo! Come on, everyone. When you miss the day, I just dream away. All my worries die and let that I'm alive. No need to press the heart, please. You set heart on fire. Fill me with the love. Make the woman out of this world. I could get much higher. My spirit's take a flight, 'cause I'm alive. Oh. When I hear you breathe and the wings to fly, I feel that I'm alive. When you reach for me, racing spirit high, God knows that the one that I want is standing high, through good and through trying sometimes. It's all can be, I can't waiting for the rest of my life. Oh, when you call me, when I reach for me, I can wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. I just breathe away. All my worries die. I know that I'm alive. I get wings to fly. I know that I'm alive. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Boss Carlos. Thank you so much.
And thank you, Sir Carlo.
All right.
Yeah, thank you for joining, everyone. You can join in the box.
Yes, come on,
You can
guys.
request the box, please.
Yes, request the box, please, if you are ready to sing. And let's go now. We will start this program with the amazing Amihan right here, right now.
Kuya
And
Ray.
then, yes, the next songer will be Miss Rosemary. Come on, guys. Rain, hello. Welcome. Thank you, Boss Carlos. Rosemary, go. It's your turn. Request the box, guys.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nanungin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang na nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang binulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko, kunting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa. At iniisip na natutulog ka. Tutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sakin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang hubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sana akalain natutulog ba ang Diyos?
Ate Marimar, may dos
Buhay
mio.
mo ay mayroong halaga.